We'll guide you through how to archive and unarchive chats and groups in WhatsApp on both an iPhone and an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Archiving is a great way of hiding and removing chats from the main inbox. You aren't deleting it though because it's going to be in the archive folder and you can always go and unarchive them. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide. So let's go and get started with archiving a chat on the iPhone or group. So if it's just one, what you can do is go and swipe on it from right to left, and you'll go and get the archive button, which you can then tap. If there are multiple, press the three dots in the top left, and you want to press select chats, select the ones you want to archive, and then press archive in the bottom left, and they'll go and be archived. Alternatively, what you need to do is come onto the Android if you're on it. On an Android, what you need to do is go and tap and hold on the chat or group you want to archive. With it selected, press the archive button in the top right with the arrow pointing down. If there's multiple, you can select them and then press it, and they'll then go and be archived. Now, when it comes to unarchiving, we'll come onto the iPhone first. You need to go on the chats and drag down, and you should go and see archived. Go and tap on it. Then here they are. So to go and unarchive one, you can swipe on it from right to left, and you'll see the option for unarchive. If you want to do this with multiple, press edit in the top right, and you can press select chats. Then you can go through and select them and press unarchive in the bottom left. On an Android, what you need to do is you need to come onto the chat screen and drag down to go and find archived, and you can then go and tap on it and you'll go and see them here. Find the chat or group you wish to unarchive and you can tap on holding it to select it. If there are multiple, go down and select them, and you can then press the unarchive button in the top. You can see the arrow is now pointing up. That's it, they'll then be back in your main inbox. That is how you can go and archive and unarchive chats. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.